Imagine a world where you could earn while you spend, where you could build your financial future with each purchase. Welcome to the world of good credit cards. In this day and age, the power of plastic is undeniable. It's like having a magic wand in your pocket, one that can open doors to countless benefits if used responsibly. But what exactly does it mean to have a good credit card? At its core, a good credit card is a tool that, when wielded correctly, can help you build a robust credit history. It's a silent financial partner that records your financial habits and communicates them to lenders. Your punctuality in paying off credit card bills, the discipline in not maxing out your credit limit, and the responsibility of managing multiple cards all contribute to your credit score. And a good credit score, as we all know, can be your golden ticket to favorable loan terms and interest rates in the future. But that's not all. A good credit card doesn't just help you build a credit history, it rewards you along the way. Imagine earning points, cash back, or air miles every time you dine out, fill up your gas tank, or book a vacation. It's like getting a thank you note each time you spend. And who doesn't love appreciation? Moreover, a good credit card can be your safety net. In times of financial emergencies, when liquid cash might not be readily available, a credit card can come to your rescue. It's like having a financial guardian angel that gets you out of tight spots. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Owning a good credit card is no exception. It's important to remember that a credit card is not a license to spend recklessly. It's a financial tool that needs to be handled with care and responsibility. So with the right card, you're not just spending, you're investing in your future. Now let's introduce our first contestant in the ring of credit cards, the Reward Master. This card is a brilliant player in the field of credit, boasting an alluring rewards program that turns your everyday purchases into points. Whether you're filling up your petrol tank, buying groceries, or treating yourself to a shopping spree, the Reward Master is there to make every pound count. But what makes this card truly shine is its competitive interest rates. Reward Master offers a rate that's hard to beat, making it a great choice for those who carry a balance from month to month. And let's not forget about the special offers. From sign-up bonuses to seasonal deals, Reward Master is always looking for ways to give you more bang for your buck. Reward Master, a card that turns your spending into earning. Moving on to our second player, meet the Credit Builder. This card is specifically designed for those who are just starting to build their credit history. It's the perfect tool to help you shape your financial future. The Credit Builder card is a powerful ally, allowing you to establish a solid credit history with every successful payment. Now let's talk interest rates. With the Credit Builder, you get competitive rates that are designed to be manageable and fair. This means you get to build your credit without breaking the bank, but that's not all. The Credit Builder often comes with special offers such as cashback rewards and discounts at select retailers, which makes it not just a credit card but a passport to savings. So if you're looking for a credit card that helps you build a strong credit history while offering competitive rates and special offers, consider the Credit Builder. Credit Builder, your stepping stone to a strong financial future. Last but not least, let's welcome the Security Shield, a name that speaks volumes about its main selling point. This card takes a stand, promising to guard your hard-earned cash like a vigilant sentinel. It offers a fortress of fraud protection, ensuring your sensitive information remains under lock and key. And the Security Shield isn't just about safety, it's about being sensible with your money too. That's why it boasts some of the most competitive interest rates on the market. No need to worry about the cost of borrowing spiraling out of control. But wait, there's more. The Security Shield card also comes with a host of special offers. Think amazing discounts on dining, travel, and shopping. It's not just a credit card, it's a passport to a world of perks and privileges. Security Shield, a card that keeps your finances safe and secure. Because when it comes to your money, you deserve nothing less than the best. Now that we've met our players, it's time to see how they stack up against each other. This is where the rubber meets the road, ladies and gentlemen. We've introduced you to 3 credit cards, each with its own unique features and benefits. But how do they compare? Let's dive in. Firstly, let's discuss rewards. The first contender offers cash back on all purchases, making it an excellent choice for those who like to see immediate returns. The second player, on the other hand, offers a point system that can be redeemed for a variety of goods and services. This might be more appealing to those who enjoy shopping or travel. Lastly, the final participant provides a unique reward system tailored to your spending habits, which could be a boon for those who enjoy personalization. Now, onto interest rates. The first contender comes with a low introductory rate, which could be great for those who are new to credit cards and want to ease into using them. The second player has a slightly higher rate, but it's consistent, making it a good option for those who value stability. The final participant, meanwhile, offers a variable rate that could work well for those who like to play the odds and potentially get a lower rate. Special offers are another key consideration. The first contender offers a generous sign-up bonus, making it a great choice for those who want to get a head start. The second player provides a 0% introductory rate on balance transfers, which could be appealing to those looking to consolidate their debts. The final participant, however, offers a unique concierge service, which might be a draw for those who appreciate a little luxury. Lastly, let's look at suitability. The first contender is a great all-rounder, suitable for a wide range of users. The second player is ideal for those who are looking to build their credit, while the final participant is perfect for those who value security and privacy. So whether you're a big spender, a credit builder, or a security seeker, there's a card out there for you. As we wrap up, let's remember the key points from our journey into the world of credit cards. The power of plastic, as we've come to see, is not something to be taken lightly. It can open doors, provide security, and even help you save money if used wisely. Let's take a moment to revisit our contenders. First, we had Card A, a solid choice for beginners, with its low interest rate, no annual fee, and a reward program that lets you earn while you spend. It's the kind of card that grows with you, adapting to your needs as your credit history evolves. Then, we had Card B. With its competitive cashback program and zero foreign transaction fee, it's the perfect companion for those with a case of wanderlust. Plus, its easy-to-use mobile app makes tracking expenses a breeze, giving you more control over your finances. Last but not least, we had Card C. Its unique selling point, a 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months and a generous credit limit. For those looking to make a large purchase or consolidate debt, this card could be a game changer. But remember, these are not just pieces of plastic. They are tools that, when used responsibly, can help you build a solid credit history, provide financial flexibility, and even reward you for your spending. It's essential to understand what each card offers and how it aligns with your financial goals and habits. Choosing a credit card isn't just about the perks or the shiny hologram on the front. It's about understanding your spending habits, knowing your financial goals, and being aware of the potential pitfalls. For instance, it's crucial to always pay your balance in full each month, or at least make the minimum payment. Late payments can result in fees, higher interest rates, and a negative impact on your credit score. Also, keep a close eye on your credit utilization ratio. That's the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Experts recommend keeping this ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Finally, remember that credit cards are not a license to spend. They are a tool to help you manage your finances better. So, make sure you use them wisely, and they can be a powerful ally in your financial journey. So, there you have it, a brief exploration into the world of credit cards. We've looked at some of the best options for beginners, discussed the benefits, and covered the responsibilities that come with owning a credit card. Remember, a good credit card isn't just a financial tool, it's a financial partner. Choose wisely, use responsibly, and let your credit card help you achieve your financial goals.